Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out of broker account in TradingView. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TradingView application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TradingView application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the watch list interface. So what you have to do is tap on the chart option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the chart interface. So if you want to log out of your broker account on the chart, you'll be able to find the icon of your broker account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now I'm connected to paper trading. It is a simulated brokerage account, but the process is similar for all the broker account that you connected to. What you have to do is tap on the broker name that you'll be able to see at the top left corner of your screen. Now at bottom you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for logging out of the broker account, so all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your broker account. So that is how you log out of broker account in TradingView. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.